Are you ready? It's one genocide! Bahamas, are you fucking ready, my niggas? What's up? I know you guys don't have water! Who's here for anywhere to take a shit, but fucking it's lit! Who here wants thinking? That's right! Oh, watch out for the feral dogs. They've been eating people in 1022. I repeat, the feral dogs are eating people in 1022. White genocide! White genocide! This is our first joint off the new album. It's called Feral Dogs and Malaria! Let's go! Drop it! 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Feral dogs! Bombers who love you! Do the drop!
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, what up? It's your boy G. That's the Bodega Boys live in the building at 220 West 18th Street. Parody. Shout out to the sponsor, Red Bull Studios.
Yes! We're in the building.
We're in the building. It's your boy D's nice again. Jesus Vice again. Chipotle. Keep on that fat like Cheerio. Get Chris Taps from Sling Dick. Eli Lip B. Butchers Gully. Slow down. Might know you, bitch. Young Dave Hardy. Young Hot Chick. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's around the middle of the Quattro. Meco going off the Juve boss. Mr. Little Gulna P. Put up for 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the open pool.
I don't know you at all.
The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Goose Mufasa. Young Jacoonery at the Coonery. AKA Chill Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. Vice Makuzaka, Two Phone Jones, Jesus A. Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Leonardo Chapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Will AKA listening to Wash FM. The Curry Go, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew. Damn. The Moreno, you can't contain him. The Human Meme, word to job. Young Airwan, the racist for rock guitar. Mr. Black Asiatic who crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Best Marina, Fresh Misdemeanor, Cold to be AKA your problematic bait. Mwah!
Bitch, yes, that's right. It's episode 62. We get up there. You know what I'm saying? We about to.
We up in them yeeks.
We up in Social Security age, nigga.
That's right.
It's really good. It's your boy the Kim Mero, aka Human Doing Flack, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking man. You know what I'm saying?
Make everyone claro.
Guest list again. My friend Santo Domingo. My name is definitely on there. Check it again, nigga. We in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm not stepping to the side while you check neither, nigga, because it's the fucking dad of the year.
Dad.
Nigga, aka Ben Smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dandara.
Yeah.
Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your brainstem with a McDouble, and you will do geometry at a rate unrecognized.
Oh, Lord.
Listen to that. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, so watch where you put your benzos, nigga. Because I'm the Zen man. It's kind of about to eat up my bottle sticks.
Yeah.
Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Tom Brazy. Your girl got my balls type deflated. The baby Lupo, a.k.a. Blam de la Blam. Swipe my card again. I know there's money on it, nigga. Put the plastic bag on it. Your reader's fucked up. Nino Brownie's tree, my Stevie B. The plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will. I can't even give you the whole thing, nigga.
It's on Spotify. That's right. You gotta go on Tidal to get the whole thing.
The Hope got the exclusive at the Garden dropping 60. Who? Barmelo's Anthony.
LaLa coming home.
I love you, baby. Come on, please, baby, please. Baby, give me one more chance. If you see me talking, respect my fucking agency, nigga. Approach me like I recite Mabel. You know what I'm saying? El hijo de Titi FIFA bajando duro. Le saca taco los tigres míos. Yo, Eastream, I was popping, que lo que. Estoy borracho, Mount City, arriba, que lo que.
Yeah.
Encendido.
Yo, shout out to, it's getting warm. It's going to be 80 degrees today.
Yo, it is going to be 82 degrees.
Shout out to all the white people that are out there in sandals, even though they've been out here in sandals since 40 degrees.
Yeah, since February. Let's keep it funky. Niggas were rocking cargo shorts and
just laying down on the grass in Bryant Park. Didn't realize there was like a dog taking a wild shit there 2 hours before you laid there. But you know, it's whatever. Put down your little Lululemon yoga mat. Make it happen.
Go ahead, man.
You know, it's warm.
Lay in those feces.
It's warm. Trying to break up with people. Unless you broke up with someone too early and you're trying to get them back. Shout out to Melo and LaLa.
Yo.
LaLa out here putting the thirst traps on Instagram and Twitter.
Yup, like nigga,
you ain't low, man.
Don't forget, nigga.
She's like,
Yo, that's what girls dead you, or when you fuck up.
That
shorty dead
post
you?
breakup glow.
Yeah, nigga.
They ain't nothing like
they
it.
know. They like, yeah, son. They're like, yo, matter of fact, nigga. She probably put them shits on Twitter too, nigga. Them shits was probably on MySpace.
They on everything.
She went on her friends. She real on her birthday page.
She put it on her Black Panther page. Like, yo, LaLa 2000.
LaLa 2.0.
Check me out. Hit me on AIM.
Apologize to LaLa 1.
Oh shit! Oh. Everybody's like, "Yo, Melo, well, if you didn't know, blah blah blah." Sometimes you gotta leave your girl to appreciate your girl.
I mean,
you know,
yeah,
sometimes
it be happening like that.
Sometimes you need to see her walking out the door to appreciate her walking back in. Like,
You know what I mean?
You know?
Sometimes she needs to exit to appreciate the entry.
Exactly. They say if you love something, let it go. You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying?
If it comes back to you,
It comes back to
it was
you.
meant to be.
Who said that? That sounds like a Harlem nigga made that up.
Yeah. That's
Like,
that's probably a camera line.
That nigga was leaning against the Apollo. Like, yo, man, if you love something, let it go. If you come back to you, you're gonna go through these packs off, man.
Got shorty, let it go. Hit her with the okie doke.
Squat Oh, shit. Yo, rest in peace to everyone that died at Fry Fest.
True.
You know, why would you pay $12,000 to go see Blink 182? And remember Rihanna did this?
First of all,
with her flight 777 tour?
Yeah. She had niggas stranded,
She
and
had,
all the
like,
music journalists were up there, man, shook,
They're
tweeting.
like, hey.
They're like, oh my God, we only have still water.
I have no food. This is just like my Williamsburg apartment.
Yo, Fyre. This is the thing, though. This is the thing, like, don't just go to a festival. Be like, read about the shit, like, do your research. If it's something that goes on every year, but still, like, I listen to music on my headphones, my nigga. Like, I'm good. I don't need to go to the beach. Like, those are two separate things. I could go to the beach and chill. I don't need to go to the beach to see a concert.
You know what else? White people are very quick and trustworthy to hop on a plane to go to an island.
Yeah,
like,
yo,
look, I have family in Jamaica, and even I'm like, hey, let me test the culture. Let me see what's like before I
know what I'm
touch down. What's going on down there?
Yeah.
They just go in there. They ended up in FEMA tents.
Read a little news, nigga. Eating rations.
Eating rations out the styrofoam plate. They got bread, cheese, and a side salad. So basically, you pay $12,000 to get the experience my parents used to punish me with.
Yo. You failed gym, nigga. Send you to gym.
Yo, niggas gentrified, getting sent to DR. It said Ponyard with bad grades.
Yo.
Oh, so
my God.
sad.
I can't believe it.
Niggas at the JetBlue Terminal 5 like, why'd you give me a pair of white jeans? I was like, you'll see.
You'll see.
You'll see.
You'll soon learn.
Why are you putting all my possessions in the barrel?
They really are out there.
That's my MacBook. I need that.
Yeah, I'm really drinking bread and water. Like, niggas, like, my mom used to give me that for breakfast. Nigga, like, yo,
Niggas
here,
pay
enjoy
money
that.
for that. Also, shout to Americans who be like mad salty and shit. Like, this is not my president. Donald Trump's not my president. This government, fuck that. As soon as you get into trouble overseas, you tweeting at the embassy and shit.
At the embassy early.
Come on, the embassy, like, that's not even how it works.
Help. Yo.
Help. I'm an American citizen. I'm stuck in Ocho Rios. Come get me out. Like, the embassy's like, fam. I'm a social media intern. Like, I don't even check Twitter. What do you want me to do? There's forums and shit.
What do you think? Like, you
hold on. I'll send the A-team.
Yeah, I was like, yo, that's what's like, yo, niggas still got the fucking American Ninja on
Like, when I
standby
travel,
to come save you.
If I get in trouble, I know I can't call the embassy. It's just me, myself, and I. That's some Beyonce shit.
Bruh, like, I don't really
I gotta fight niggas on some taking shit. Like, I gotta break a glass bottle and cut a French nigga's face like a baguette in downtown Paris.
Yo, listen.
I'm not calling the embassy like Sacre Bleu. They got me boxed in a Sofitel.
Yo, that niggas gotta chill, bro. Y'all watch too many movies, man. Hold your own head when you around town, B.
They think, even if you think about it, remember Jason Bourne went to the embassy and even he had to wait online. So what do you think's gonna happen to you?
Nigga? Fucking fam, you working fucking Geico.
All I'm saying is when you travel, you have to expect the Natalie Holloway.
That's true. It's always
There's always a chance you could die. Think about it.
Especially if you're a white person.
Yeah.
If you're American, that's one thing. But if you're a white American, it's woo.
Yeah.
Boy, you are food. Everywhere you go, you're food.
Being an American, you're like, oh, if I die, people are gonna know.
Yeah.
There's gonna be an event.
It's gonna be on the news.
Nigga, you could disappear and no one give a fuck.
Boy.
You could fall off the fucking, what was it, the Mad Decent belt?
Yeah.
It happens.
It can happen.
It can happen.
Listen, nigga, my front is Santo Domingo. I'm telling you niggas right now, if you walk around late at night on those streets that got no street lights, boy, and you hear bing, 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 and nigga just hop off a motorcycle and snatch ass up, niggas will never find you again, bro. And that shit won't even be on News 12.
All right? You're not going to be on Santo Domingo News 12, Miami, New York, Dykeman News 12.
Nothing,
We're mostly about hookah-related fires. We lost another 5-story building went up with a charcoal fell.
Yo, shout out to Aguado, you know what I'm saying? shout to Tapu. Shout to the hookah lounges.
Everything's going good, man. We're just back from LA.
Oh man,
Smoked Matt. Yo, shout out to LA weed snobs.
I understand.
I understand. I get it.
But
you
like,
take your shit that serious, but my guys,
fam, I feel like that conversation should not extend more than like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Like if you telling me weed in New York is whack and weed in Cali is way better.
The thing is, people were like, "Yo, weed in New York is whack." Like we was gonna defend New York weed. We was like, "Nah, we agree."
Yeah, no, it's true. Like it's not whack, but this weed is just much better. Yeah. Like it does the job. But y'all shit is mad exotic because it's legal out there. Niggas got weed stores. Like, what do you expect? You know what I'm saying? Like, here, fucking, I gotta go meet fucking Julio on fucking, you know what I mean? And nigga gotta hand the shit through the gate.
You know what I'm saying? We smoking all types of weed. We was doing dabs, which is just white people crack.
It is.
Let's keep it funky.
Yeah. And even homie admitted it. Like, in the place, he's like, yo, this is the closest thing to crack there is, bro.
Fam, anytime I put my lips on like a glass dick, and you got a torch in the front, listen, I don't want to be. I don't want.
It's a different experience.
I don't want to be making moonlight like that.
Yo, that shit really,
But I'm good. I mean, I have a newfound appreciation for weed. Like, I'm good on it. I'm not smoking an OD crazy wild, like crazy problematic, but I'm good on the weed for a minute. I'm still out there though. Shout out to my man Mero. Yo, pull up from 30. All right. I just want to throw out there the liberal propaganda with that highly edited video of him going 1 for 15.
Yo, I gotta tell you niggas,
my man was Matt Smackington.
I've told y'all in several formats. Yo, I gave Angie like 2 bites of that brownie yesterday, and she was like, my nigga. She's like, oh my God, nigga, what the fuck? Yo, she was smacked. She's like, nigga, I need to park up for a second before I go home.
Yo, that weed brownie is no joke.
And I ate the whole thing. It was a 12-dose weed brownie.
Yeah.
At 6 grams of whatever the fuck. 6,000 milligrams of weed, THC, whatever the fuck. Weed! You know what I'm saying? And then I ate that shit, and then we walked the boardwalk, and then I drank a weed lemonade and ate some weed cookies and smoked the joint. And then they were like, yo, shoot
and we
basketball.
ate fried Oreos, too.
And we fried Oreos.
It was mad healthy.
Yo, niggas had a fried dick
Tim's
dog.
on the fucking beach. Niggas, we was out there on some Bronx shit for real.
Wow.
Only thing missing was just me getting drunk with off the Henny and just bucking a shot to the crowd.
That's it.
For entertainment.
Having niggas scatter.
Dance niggas.
Yo, shit's crazy.
It's my Nathan's.
Super fat shit. Why?
Nah, it was good. It was
mad fun.
Listen, we did a lot of shit. We shout out to Bodega Hive came out saw us at the theater, the Landmark Theater, did a live show, bodied it.
You know shout out to everybody that couldn't get in. We love you still. You know
did. Listen,
took Netflix and shit.
Took Netflix. We didn't leave anyone. No, listen, except for Fyre. No man left behind. That's the Bodega Hive credo.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
I seen a nigga on Twitter all mad like, yo, niggas overbooked it on purpose. I was like, no, sir.
I was like, no.
That's what happens. If you've ever been, the brand is strong.
What do you want? You seen some? Listen, we're like Summer Jam without the fur coats and the shootings. So, what do you want?
Come on.
I can't get no more for free, Randy.
Come on.
The brand is leveling up.
It is, bro.
Shout out to LA where you spend all day traveling to meetings. You spend 2 hours to drive to a 15-minute meeting.
That's why I'll never move to LA because
I can move
you
there.
Spend half your life in your car or in an Uber.
You can stay in my guest cabin. It's gonna be nice. I'll hook it up for you.
You know what I'm
I have like a nice wild flat screen TV. I have a Chrome there, tissue box so you could jerk off. It'd be nice. It should be nice.
I prefer like socks.
You like socks?
Jerk off socks.
I don't know because my maid she was gonna be like, hey, why are the socks so crunchy?
Why is that so crunchy?
Why Mero have such heavy load? I was like, you got 4 kids. You know he got mad sperm.
Yo, come on. You know
sperm is very dense. It's like dark matter.
Niggas is fertile, B. That shit comes. It's like custard.
This nigga's sperm is like Nickelodeon gack. Just dick with the wild consistency.
Dickelodeon.
Yeah, that's the one, baby.
Yo,
that's the one.
Fucking double dares just me and the catwalk jerking off.
Dickelodeon.
Dick is kids. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Dick Jr. Yeah, the orange rag, baby. That's the one. That's the one. Yo, shout out to Shorty that got kicked off our flight.
Yo! Listen, yo. LA is full of creeps and weirdos, and I'm saying that as a motherfucking born and bred Bronxite B. LA is full of creeps and weirdos. Shorty that got on the plane, I know for a fact. The niggas seen us on the. Y'all seen the Periscope?
You see the Periscope?
Hey, Shorty, yo, listen. I
also,
know she
shout
was
out to our
off the
Periscope
drugs.
being better than like 95% of TV shows on right now.
Basically.
But that's another story for another day.
For another day, we'll leave it for another day. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna flex too hard on you niggas.
Gonna flex
you know what I'm saying? Don't want to hit you in the face with the bicep.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? But yo, Shorty was definitely smoking meth, B. She had the meth face.
She was
to the
on
fullest.
something.
She had the wild pockmarked, like, abused facial, like.
I've very rarely been afraid of white people, but when she climbed over the flight attendant,
I was
like,
shook.
yo.
I was shook. Yeah, no.
I was like, yo, Shorty is wildin'.
She's
if she had
capable.
been Muslim,
Oh, niggas would have clapped her. Are you stupid? Yo, niggas would have. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Niggas would have went in there with the auto like rah rah rah. Yo, niggas would have been sitting in their eyes like.
Niggas would have got the Call of Duty badge. Like shit, nuclear.
Oh shit.
Fuck,
bruh. Niggas would have put claymores down and shit. You
like
crazy?
she was wilding off white woman privilege, and I was just like, wow.
It was so.
It was like watching someone do a 360 donut in a Ferrari, like in an intersection. I was like, yo, you can do that?
Can you?
She was like, you get LAPD and you get them to take me off this plane. I was like,
bruh, what?
I did a Mr. Krabs meme, like, what?
What? I was like, nah.
Wait, you want them to get the cops?
LAPD? The only people that I've heard stories about that are worse than NYPD? Y'all want them to come
LAPD and NYPD are like the Yankees and the Red Sox in like the 2000s. They got like a police brutality streak going. They're like, oh, these guys think they're gonna beat us?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well I'll show you something.
Rodney King?
Oh yeah? Oh, LA riots?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Yeah, 2 words for you. Amadou Diallo.
Yeah, how about that, pal?
Yeah.
How about the other guy? We stuck the fucking plunger in his ass.
Okay,
how about that?
What have you guys done lately, huh? I saw Chips. You guys wear shorts like Fanooks.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here. That's not scary.
Let's get out of here and go back to Staten Island.
Hey, you know we got rid of the chokehold. Wink, wink. Oh, man.
Yo, I call it a boke hold now.
Oh, shit. That's how I choke.
So I'm bullying in the bando.
Hey. My niggas is bad and bougie. All right? It's Rangerstown, pal.
Oh, my gosh. Shout out to the Rangers.
Shout out to the Rangers.
I do work.
Shout to my Rangers. Shout out to Henrique. If you see me tweeting about the Rangers, don't be racist and be like, Jesus, you're black. You can't tweet about hockey.
I tell niggas every playoffs I'm a Rangers fan.
Nigga,
regular season, don't check for me.
Oh, damn, we lost in game 1.
Oh, damn.
But, yeah.
We're like, yeah, Rangers.
Yeah, Rangers. It's Rangers. It's still Rangerstown, pal. Oh.
Yo, shout out to white people. Yo, get it. I've never seen joy on the face of a white person like that, like in a hockey game.
But see, you know what? Like pure white joy is so fleeting now.
Yeah,
they don't have it. It's not. Listen, you know, they don't have their safe spaces to just be just
unrepentantly like white.
Just be
aggressively white.
When's the last time you saw white boy joy?
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, after Donald Trump won and shit like that. Actually, white boy joy is just the alternate name for Barstool Sports.
White boy joy. Yo, we gotta do a white boy joy festival. Nigga. Just do like Max Box 20 and shit. It was
we're doing MAGA Fest. Yeah,
bro.
White genocide.
We were white genocide. Sub 41.
By Sky Bayo.
Yo,
we got Ted Nugent.
True. That fucking wing ding. Yo, I was gonna say I'm so smacked. I was gonna be like, yo, I can't wait till he dies. It's such a reckless statement.
No, it's not. It's not. He's mad old.
He is mad old.
He's mad old.
His time is coming.
Does not eat. He does not eat. He does not work out. He's 70 years old, my man.
You know what's terrible? Those are the type of niggas that live to be like 100.
Yeah.
And the niggas that work out and take care of themselves fucking
just die.
Die at 50.
They're jogging. They come down the wrong way on one foot. They don't hit their head on the curb and die. You're like, what the fuck?
Damn, $1 million baby
this
shit.
This nigga just ran the fucking Boston Marathon. Then the family puts up a GoFundMe, and I'm like, whoa.
You niggas
that nigga was making like $300K.
Nah,
what the fuck?
I know for a fact that
I just seen y'all niggas on HGTV House Hunters. Y'all was buying something in Punta La Plata. Like, what the fuck? Like,
go for what?
Go fund me. Go fuck yourself.
You fund me, nigga.
We should make go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.
People pay you money to go fuck yourself. I'm like, yeah, bring it on. More hey.
Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.com. Hey, this fucking paisani died, so go check it out on gofuckyourself.com. Where's it for the family?
Yeah.
Just come to the family like, yo, I was sent from Go Fuck Yourself. Just slap him in the casket.
Hey.
Sarah will slap this ugly nigga.
We litty too titty. Yo. How do you feel about the Giants drafting receiver that I've never heard of?
You know what? I was so smacked last night. I signed up. I signed up for Amazon. I watched the Yankee game. Okay, shout to my Yankees out here cooking. We out here Yankees
cooking. Mets on the other hand, they're not.
Huh?
Mets on the other hand, they're not.
Yo, the Mets fell apart.
Yo,
listen. I used to take joy in the Mets falling apart.
Yeah, now I'm feeling bad.
This early?
Yeah.
Yo, my timeline yesterday, it looked like the Trail of Tears with Mets fans,
crazy.
man. Like,
yo, your man, they scratched Syndergaard because he had a tired arm.
Oh man,
I'm like, how you got a tired arm, nigga? You're a pitcher. You pitch once a week. What are you jerking off too much in the off days?
Sometimes you get that naughty America pass. Sometimes you gotta sit out a couple of games. So they'll be like, oh, you seen from Blacked?
He's like, unlimited downloads on
I
T-shirt.
always got what I wanted from my French tutor. It's like, oh, okay, all right, okay.
Yo.
It's like, all right, the car's coming in 5 minutes. All right, zip, 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 Dickelodeon.
Yo, speed jerking off is mad stressful though. Like if you're on the clock jerking off, it's just mad stressful.
There's 62 episodes of this. How many episodes do you think we've gone without talking about jerking off?
Oh man, probably like 8.
That's a lot. I don't think we've even reached that.
Yo, self-care is important, yo. You know what I'm saying?
Don't call that shit self-care, my nigga. My nigga Mero just put on the fucking dreads. My man about to be on fucking Rachel Dolezal show and shit. Yeah, I hear you fake Jill Scott.
You guys have to take care of yourself.
Self-care.
Yeah.
Look about to drink cucumber water and make a sugar scrub. Get out of here. You fake.
I got a mayonnaise
He's gonna
mask.
wrap his hair.
I got an avocado mask in my hair.
Yo, fuck you to Shea Moisture.
Oh shit, yeah. Shout out to them.
That
fucking
after they had the audacity of making that fucking commercial with the white chicks and shit.
They DM Shorty who's pressed them.
They was DMing Shorty
that
and
was
pressing
crazy.
them. Like niggas ain't gonna, yo.
We won't stand for that.
We won't stand for
quiet.
that. You know what's fucking funny? They would go after like black chicks that had like low follower counts.
Yeah.
And they went after the one Shorty that I've known for like 10 years.
Yeah.
And like she has like maybe 100 followers or something. But I see all her tweets. That was like one of the first people I followed. So shout out to Rachel Stewart. And she was like, yo, Shea Moisture pressed me in the DMs. Everyone was like, yo, that's wild. That's wild. I was like, let me see it. She sent me that DM and I was like, oh, really? You got time like that, Shea Moisture?
Oh shit.
Because every black person has some sort of Shea Moisture product in their. Even Victor was like, yo, I got Shea Moisture.
I got you, yeah.
You know, that's like he's the Bruno Mars fit.
Yeah, my sister got a shot on deck. Yo, it's crazy because like
we can't boycott, but we're gonna drag you on Twitter, which is the same, which is worse.
Yeah. I wonder if my sister boycotted this shit. Probably not.
Nah, your sister.
She not even
your sister don't look like she's boycotting shit.
She's like, nigga, fuck
She's
that.
like, nah. She's just like, oh, fuck that. I already bought.
She's
it.
like, yo, it's 3 for 1. Fuck that.
Also, Rick Ross shouted her out, so I know she's wild gas.
Maybach music.
Shout out to Ingrid.
Shout out to Ingrid out here, squad. Yo, that's
I'm
why
not gonna talk spicy about her because our birthdays are coming up, and I don't want the fucking World Star video of her like hit me with the wall uppercut in the BBQ parking lot. Mero, get your sister. Yo, get your sister.
Yo, fuck. Yo, what's good? Yo, you talking spicy, nigga?
Chill.
Yo, you talking spicy, my nigga?
I'm running around the suburban and shit. Yo, chill.
Yo, my nigga.
Yo, chill.
Come over here, though. I just want to talk.
Yo, stop playing.
I just want to talk.
Mero, get your sister.
Come here.
Mero.
Come here. Talking spicy.
Mero, get your
Yo,
sister.
sorry, my nigga. Chill.
Mero, get your sister.
Yo, chill. Nah, this nigga's talking spicy.
So we call the embassy.
You call the co-op city embassy. That nigga with the hoodie come out to defend you like,
hello, Section 5 embassy. Shout out to co-op.
Yeah,
we can't go to BBQs this year, my nigga.
Yo, we have to.
No, we
I told
can't.
niggas,
We're gonna get killed. Niggas gonna, like, we can't go. We still popping.
It's gonna be unannounced. We're just gonna pop up.
Nah.
You know what I'm saying?
We flying in the PJ to In and Out. Yo, Shane, send the jet.
Yo, send the jet, God. Yo,
Send the jet, cut the check.
Niggas might be out there, actually. You know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm
Niggas
saying?
might be out. Niggas might be out, baby.
Listen, we gotta stop broadcasting our moves, though.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Because niggas run up.
Thirsty.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas try to rob us.
You could get done up, though.
Niggas know.
Niggas done up.
You know, not to brag, you know, we was out there mobbing with our homie Jesse Williams, Gang,
Williams
the new
squad.
Rat Pack.
Yeah.
He was out in LA.
Yeah, wow.
You know?
I seen that flick. I was like, wow, okay.
That was
like,
a very-
look at this fucking Ocean's 11.
Exactly. We was out
sequel.
there. The guy, we tried to get in a nightclub, and we was rolling like 30 deep. Shout out to Ian Iverson.
Yeah.
Shorty out there. We was out there.
Holla.
Too Short was out there.
Yeah.
Too Short.
Short dog.
Short dog
Nigga
knows
came
us.
up to us like, yo, it was good. Wow, amazing. Yo, but that's what's ill about LA is like you could just be like you're just walking around and like you just bump into niggas.
Yeah.
Like that. And it's like
I mean, the fact that we were walking, first of all, is problematic. No one walks in LA.
nobody
But
walks in LA.
We had too many people to get an Uber. That one club wouldn't let us in. It was like, take off your hats.
Yeah.
I was like, you really
stupid?
telling Jesse Williams,
Are you
the
telling-
woke bro?
Yo, you
take
telling-
off a hat? This is some racist shit.
You telling Dr. Avery to take his hat off?
Yo.
You crazy?
Oh, man. And he was like, damn, they're being racist. And the guy was like, yeah, basically.
Pretty much, yeah.
Pretty much. Y'all outside money.
Yeah.
You know, we
You're not
racked it
low.
up. We racked it up. Shit was good. We took a lot of steak dinners.
Bruh.
Ate a lot of avocado toast.
Shout out to Spike Jones.
Spike Jones was in the
know what I'm
house.
saying?
Scared the shit out of me twice.
Yo.
Flex with a brand new Tesla.
Yo, why was Spike wild aggressive though, my nigga? Like,
Yo, Spike Jones punched me in my ribs and apologized. I was like, yo, fam.
He's like, I'm sorry.
I feel
Is that cool?
It's us.
Yeah.
We have a bad effect on people.
Yeah.
People work their whole lives to become something and like be respectable people, and we just ruin it within like 10 minutes.
We just jump in like, fuck that, respectability, bro.
Fuck that, smoke this crack.
Yeah.
Here, carry this gun, Spike Jones. Rob that bank.
He's like, yo, chill, I can't do that. That's respectability politics. Fuck that.
Here, Jesse Williams, take this brick and sell it at Soho House. It's like, no. He's like, I have a career.
Yeah.
You know, we're just listen. We're just like the homie said,
Bronx, bro.
we're just niggas with good auras, bro.
That's it, man.
You know, like Carmichael said, man.
Yeah, you can take a nigga out the Bronx, you take the Bronx out the nigga, though.
Can't take the Bronx out the nigga. That's a J-Lo song. That's a J-Lo deep cut.
Oh, can't wait.
That was a very problematic song. A-Rod playing it like, I love that song.
I love that. It's one of my favorites. It's my favorite B-side.
J-Lo. I can't believe. Oh, J-Lo, she has such a pretty pussy.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I can't believe.
It's so hairless.
I can't believe she got so many bodies.
Oh my God, you wouldn't even know. It's still tight. Like, you wouldn't even know that she's like, me, her, and Derek Jeter were both in the 40-40 club. That's probably that's body shaming.
Oh shit, that's right. Hold up.
What? Hold up. They don't love you like I love you.
Derek Jeter definitely moved around with J-Lo, right?
I don't think so.
No?
I don't think that wasn't his speed. He was never really into. He was into the Latinas, but not like Latinas like that.
Like for real, like hood.
For real
Yeah.
Latinas. He was into
like Bronx, Puerto Rican.
He was like keeping light. He was like keeping light Latinas.
Yo, shout out to my man Woodrow. He said it's a fact. Bronx Puerto Ricans are the most Puerto Ricans
They
you
are.
will find in the tri-state area.
They really are.
By far. You know what I'm saying? Niggas playing reggaeton at 7 a.m. It's not a game.
Bronx Puerto Ricans know more about Puerto Rico than Puerto Ricans. It's true. It's true. Listen, I grew up and I see that Puerto Rican flag and I was like, that's the American flag. I've said that before on this podcast. Because I was like, there's no way that's the flag of some other shit. Like, the amount of pride people have for that shit. They put like a big, huge one across Fordham Road. The cars couldn't get by that shit.
Yo, this shit's crazy.
He's got the emergency one for when Suavemente comes on. You just break the glass and run across the floor.
Yo, if you actually look at Captain America, he's wearing a Puerto Rican flag.
And as he should.
You know what I'm saying?
They've done a lot for us.
Captain
We got
Puerto
Coco
Rico.
Helado.
You know what I'm saying?
They invented Fashion Nova.
Daddy Yankee. You know what I'm saying?
The Fordham Road.
True.
The Fordham Road. The president of Puerto Rico invented Fordham Road. His first name was Fordham.
Fordham Rodriguez. That's
Rodriguez.
right. Yeah. Fordham.
For them. For them. It was originally for them. Road.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then white people gentrified it with Fordham University.
I was actually Jamaican. It was Fidem.
For them.
It's Fidem
For
Road.
them. It was a very problematic place. It was kill for them.
Kill Fidem. Yeah. Shout out to fucking everybody.
Shout out to the Bronx, man.
You know what I'm saying?
The Bronx is great. The Bronx is on the come up. I feel this is the thing. Like,
I feel like we catalyzed that shit.
We
Not
are
even-
really
no hyperbole.
Not even being gassed.
You know
Not
what I'm saying?
even
We
giving
definitely
ourselves
catalyzed that shit. Let's keep it real.
You know, like Pharrell said, we're brilliant. I just dropped that right there. Pharrell did say that. You'll see that. You'll see this video.
You'll see.
But
I see. I almost want to cry, my nigga. I was like, yo, I seen that shit. And he was talking to us, and he was like, yo, y'all really, see.
I watched that, and I was like, yo, you know what? Not for nothing. It's like every now and then you gotta like take a breath, like, nigga, we have been fucking grinding out here. Yeah. Shout out to us. Shout out to us.
Put that work in.
That's right.
Don't you forget it.
Don't you ever forget it.
And actually positioning ourselves to be in every format that you niggas enjoy for entertainment. So
you can watch our TV. That's
tuned.
ridiculous. See, I feel bad because I don't have anything like this. I don't have anything. I'll be like, yo, I could go on Twitter and be like, yo, where's the art?
Yeah.
There's no one I can ask for art.
There's no one I can ask for art.
Except my Lord and Savior, Jesus.
The ATMs that don't give out money in the back, please.
Sir,
Tyler
where's the art? And I said to the Lord, I looked behind me and I only saw one set of art emojis. And he said, that's when I was in LA, my little nigga.
Pull it up from 40 with your shorty. Yo, it's crazy because it's true, but I be watching the shit like the final edits of shit, like the podcast when it drops and shit, listen to the art and watch the shows and shit, and like I be hype about the shit. I'm not gonna
Listen, we live in our best life. If you had told us 3 years ago, oh, by the way, you guys are going to tell jokes for a living and be paid for it, and people be flying you out to LA and shit, and you be hanging with Spike Jones and Pharrell.
Yeah.
I would have tried to punch you in your head. I would be like, stop fucking with me.
I would have been like, man,
stop fucking with me. You like hip hop? You gonna buy the CD or not?
I'm like, yo, nigga, give me a fucking jacket.
Give me run this shit. Run this shit, nigga. You know what this shit is, nigga.
Yo. Shout out to niggas that got robbed for their North Face.
I never got robbed, nigga.
Yeah.
You been robbed?
FYI, I never been robbed in my life.
Never been
Not for my
robbed.
jacket. No, I got stuck up.
You got stuck up for real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Niggas put the toolie to
yeah,
you?
bro. Yeah, bro.
Listen, don't be a hero.
Yeah, nah, for real.
Don't be a hero.
Especially if you don't got nothing on you.
Yeah.
If you're getting jukes for nothing, for literally nothing,
Yeah,
like
don't-
nigga jukes me and got away with literally nothing.
Just give it up. If you don't die for $27, my nigga.
How you put a gun in my face and walk away with nothing?
They gonna be tight and shit. They gonna give you a job application like, yo, I'm coming back in 3 months. You better have some shit saved.
Yo, fam, like unbelievable, man.
One night on 233rd, shout to the hood. This guy, I was walking. It was like 2 a.m. I was walking to the bodega, and this guy walked up to me. He was like, oh, "Give me that green." And I was like, I don't smoke.
What does that mean?
I just kept walking.
Yeah.
I guess he was asking for the money.
For the money, yeah.
And then I realized, like, after I was walking, I looked back and I realized he was trying to rob me. And I looked back, and your man was just kind of standing there with his hands out, like, yo, what the fuck?
Not for nothing.
Like, dog, there's a code to this shit.
Yeah. A word of advice: 9 times out of 10, if you are being juked and you just keep it moving, and you're like in a public, because you were right by the train, right?
Yeah,
And I'm
yeah,
like,
yeah.
If it's
Just
a
keep
high
it
area
moving.
like that, just keep it moving.
Just keep it moving.
If you want a back block,
You might be on your. Just keep it moving. Make it hot for him. That's the thing. Don't put your hands up. Just keep walking.
Yeah, just keep
Pretend you don't hear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Listen,
Niggas
it's
are
robbery
seeing
season.
them. This
Niggas
is a little dark
will
for
rob
niggas.
up. You know what I'm saying?
Summertime niggas getting juked.
Niggas getting juked.
FYI.
FYI. But also FYI, all our drivers is kind of shady.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't recommend it.
Oh, no.
Because listen, you don't want the Desert Eagle to your dome piece.
Oh, no.
All our drivers are like, yo, y'all niggas is popular. We're trying to go to the top with y'all.
Yeah.
Ain't no, they're fucking up this gravy chain. No. All right, my driver wants me to get that Emmy. And he, by all means possible.
For real.
All right?
Niggas said, don't pull up on edge.
That nigga end up in your mama's house sitting there in the dark on her plastic couch.
Like, hey, how you doing, miss?
Hey, how you doing, miss? Yo, your son,
Get on the phone. Why don't you lay on his garbage bag? Yeah, face down on the garbage bag, please. Thank you. I'm gonna put a fucking slug in your head.
Yeah, your son, why don't you go tell him to kill himself? Do the honorable thing. Tell him, hey, listen, here's a hot bag. Tell him go to the bathroom. We do a funeral, we close casket.
Nice thing, you know.
Very
no mess.
classy.
Otherwise, the other option is you might not like that much.
He was threatening Desus and Mero. Well, listen, that's how we pay our bills. So I'll give you 2 options. Yeah, your daughter Tanisha, your sweet little baby there, she's in the bathroom. I got a pit bull. I got a bucket full of gravy. I'm not saying, but I'm just saying. You know,
It's gravy, baby. I got it all covered.
he's uncovered. You know what I'm saying? Not to be confused with the rapper who should have had an illustrious career, but he got blackballed. But that's neither here nor there.
Yo!
Lay down on the fucking garbage bag.
They come to crib with a wild tarp. Like, what's that tarp for?
What's that tar for? You'll see. You know how to slip and slide? It's like that. But instead of water, it's your blood. Just some lighthearted humor about home invasion.
Yeah, I'm saying,
This is why people who try to write up about this podcast and about us, and they can't, because you can't write a Washington Post and be like, listen to the Bodega Boys podcast.
Light homicide humor.
Except episode 62 where they make fun of a violent home invasion.
Yo, speaking of violent violations,
Yo!
Shorty got clapped in a wheelchair.
Who got clapped in the wheelchair?
Shorty that got, well, actually, no, she didn't get clapped, like shot. She got beat up.
Oh, you got it. This is the podcast. This is not the video. There's no video, so people have no idea what you're talking about.
So
But good try. Yo, I was looking in Jersey. You can get a shotgun to protect your house.
Yeah.
Do you get one yet?
Not yet, but I'm going.
I'm gonna buy one. I'm gonna get you one for your birthday.
Yeah.
Get you Mossberg.
Nice. Yo, my brother got the wild like pistol grip. He got like 3 different shotguns and shit. Like nigga was like, yo, I came up to Long Island to his wife's parents' crib.
Yeah.
And we was up there like barbecue shit. So we're chilling and shit. I'm like, yo, I'm about to go back smoke. He's like, I bet. We go out. Boop, boop, boop. He's like, yo, I gotta show you something. Nigga pops open the trunk of the car and it's just like mad gun cases and shit. Nigga just starts opening. He's like, yo, look at this, nigga. Nigga pulls out the shotgun. It's like, mind you, this nigga's like 6 foot something. Shirtless, fucking robo guy. You seen Tito? You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas just staying in the middle of the street with a fucking no shirt, drunk, cocking a shotgun in like suburban Long Island. I'm like, yo, son, I was like, why don't you get your black ass inside, nigga, with that fucking shotgun?
Oh, man.
Before the niggas call the cops.
I'll get you the wild. I'm gonna use the fucking HK. With the extended clip and the fucking red beam and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk in the crib and the kids are gonna be like, yo, Dad!
Yo, Dad, check this shit out.
Niggas shooting rabbits in the yard and shit. I seen a fox in my yard, my nigga.
Did you?
I seen a whole fox. I
Was it like a sexy fox or?
Like a it looked dirty. It looked like a New Jersey fox.
Oh,
it was
like a dirty fox?
It didn't look like a forest, like
it was like a Guido fox. You had a picky ring?
Yeah. She was like,
hey, my guy.
Hey, you seen any fucking rabbits around here?
Whoa.
I'm
This your
trying to
backyard?
Whoa.
This used to be a nice neighborhood. What are you, Dominican? You little brown over there.
Whoa. Let me tell you something. That Shih Tzu, I'm gonna eat him.
Whoa, don't get it twisted. I know you seen Robin Hood, the Disney version. It ain't that, my guy.
Not that.
More Sopranos over here.
Yeah, I'm a bad guy. All right, I'm bad news.
I would eat 10 off the pack every week. I'm gonna come back. You know, you're a little light this week. I'm gonna let you live, but your baby, she might disappear.
Yo,
how you doing on your sanitation contracts?
Yo, that shit is crazy. Shout out to the garbage guys in Jersey though. They actually take your garbage out and like pick up the can and throw the shit out.
Does Jersey just make you mad lazy? Like you don't have to take out your garbage. You don't gotta pump your own gas.
It's wild. I mean, I gotta put my garbage on the curb, but like I don't gotta bring the cans back in. Niggas do it for you.
That's fucking lazy and ridiculous.
It's wild.
That's why y'all deserve Chris Christie.
Yo, he's like, yeah. Nah, do I gotta be active in the Jersey politics now?
You do.
Nah, I feel like I'm too close. I'm
become
still too
Mayor
close to
Patterson. Become Mayor Patterson. Yeah. If Donald Trump could do it, you could do it.
Cory Booker was the mayor of Newark. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Nah, become Mayor Patterson. Yeah. You up there in a Pele. Like if you wear a Pele, you will get 70% of the constituents.
Oh man, I get 1,738 votes.
You'll be like, yo, Mero running for Mayor Patterson has been endorsed by Remy Boys.
Yo, baby, vote for Mero this coming election. Yeah. Remy Boys.
And his taxes are going so up in hard. Mero's got things all sewn up, and the school board so corrupt. Remy Boys. Oh man!
Oh my god!
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna run for.
They like Mero. Can you be my little mayor? I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I can't wait.
It's gonna be lit.
Yo,
it's gonna be like, oh shit.
2020 vision.
You gonna celebrate your fucking election with like Kawasaki motorcycles, doing the wild fucking dirt bikes and shit, doing wheelies like
down River Road and shit like
on that bridge that says Trenton makes it, the world takes it. You're like,
I gotta debate Joe Budden and shit.
Is that on top music?
Niggas like Drake's last album was wild, lazy, Mero. I agree, I disagree. Academics, what do you think? Niggas like, well, Joe, I think, hip hop is like hip hop, so it's like Kendrick.
Oh, God.
Yo, come on, son.
Yeah.
Niggas is doing a lot out here.
Oh, we out
don't think
here.
we don't see you, niggas.
Oh, man. Yo, Mero messier than
That's
Ellen.
right, nigga.
Oh, man.
Shotguns is legal in Jersey, nigga.
Pow.
The pump is out.
The pump is out. Guns out, thumbs out. Yo, my man Mero out here putting up 40.
I want niggas sounding like us, nigga on no show, nigga.
Yo, shout out to Mero. Mero got the Mossberg out.
Yeah, I'll get spicy a little bit. Niggas know what it is, though, bro.
Listen, you gotta be spicy. You gotta keep. Listen, it's just competition, baby.
Listen, baby.
Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? We just saw LeBron sitting in his driveway making Snapchats. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Right? You got the do-rag on. We just watching the game.
LeBron's to go for that.
That's all it is. Listen, it's friendly competition. That's all it is. And like I said to Pharrell, you know what I'm saying? I want to be the top of this shit. Niggas ain't trying to be in the middle. Niggas want to be on top.
Come on.
Niggas want niggas to answer their phone calls on the first ring, answer their emails in 30 seconds. You know what I'm saying?
Imagine you thought the opposite, though. Imagine he was like, yo, it's okay.
It's all right.
Like
I'm just happy.
Show.
That's the thing.
To be here.
You got some people in there just like happy to be in there, just happy to have a show. Like, nigga, if you're not in this shit to destroy it, put the shit in the fucking figure four leg lock and choke the shit out of it and get every fucking possible dollar out of it.
That's right.
What's even the point?
I ain't a wrestler, but I put the shit in the Boston Crab. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Brian Pumper.
Brian Pumper.
Yeah, man. Listen, why would you work mad hard to get in the NBA and then not try to get a ring?
You know what I'm saying?
That was a sub at the Knicks. But, you know what I'm saying? Every time.
Although I thought you were going to say, why would you work mad hard to be in the NBA and then just be content with sitting on the bench? And then I was like, damn.
No, it's not even sit on the bench. Like, even, like, if you're not actively, if you don't, my whole mindset is, because I was raised in New York, Yankee fan. My parents raised me like a New York Yankee fan. Like, if you don't get a ring at the end of it,
It
it
was
doesn't
all
count.
for naught.
It's all for naught.
Yeah.
So shout to Steph Curry and them and the little records and all that little bullshit.
Matter, nigga, if you don't
Shit don't matter.
Don't matter if the
Shit don't
confetti
matter.
ain't stuck to your head at the end of the night.
Listen, you could listen. Maybe you get 3 perfect games in the season. Did you win?
Whoop-de-doo.
Who cares?
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Listen. If you're not getting that ring at the end,
Think about it, man. Remember, what's his name? Johan Santana threw that no-hitter for the Mets?
yes, ruined his career.
You know what I'm saying?
He was never the same after
ruined
that.
his career.
And what did
Never
you give?
won.
You gave the Mets their only no hitter. Well, have they had one since then?
No, the only no-hitter ever
Only no hitter.
at fucking thing. But
Remember the Yankees wanted who did they want? They want Tyler Clippard, Phil Hughes, and Jabba Chamberlain for Johan Santana.
damn.
And the Yankees was like, yikes. Yikes.
I mean, looking back at it,
they probably should have done
Clippard
it.
is nice, though.
Clippard is deep. But everyone, the Yankees are kind of like the Knicks.
No.
As they trade you, you go and prosper somewhere else.
Oh, yeah, heavy.
You, you be eating other people. Look at Curtis Granderson, who, by the way, a lot of people forget. When Curtis Granderson initially came to the Knicks, not the Knicks, excuse me, the Yankees, he was very messy and he used to follow a lot of white chicks on Twitter.
What?
And people started making his Twitter hot, and then he's like got off Twitter.
Grandy.
He used to live on like 86th Street or some shit like that. Because Yankee fans are mad racist.
Yeah.
What's that? The shorty that does the after game report?
First of all,
Mero Marakovich or something? I
Yeah.
think her fiance is black or some shit. Because she put up a picture with him.
And people- niggas weren't feeling it?
Listen, Staten Island
that's what
came
I'm
out
saying.
like, yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
whoa.
Yo,
Whoa, you taking black dick, my guy?
whoa, what the fuck's going on here?
Whoa, you taking a black piss to pee?
Staten Island is like 35% of Yankee fans, but they're the most vocal by far. You know what
Them
I'm saying?
and upstate New York.
Oh, yeah. Man.
Upstate New York is just Staten Island with the Metro North.
Yeah, it
Let's
is.
keep it funky.
That is. And
Let's
more-
keep
and more
it funky.
grass.
And Whole Foods.
And trees and
And
shit.
Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
And higher property tax.
Oh, man.
Because then people be saying some wild shit. You be like, whoa.
Shout out to upstate New York, but like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like the Yankees is like the connection to the actual New York City.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo.
The Yankees bring a lot of problematic dickheads into the Bronx.
Oh,
so
my God, tell me about it.
You know what it is. You know what it is when you find out. Yeah. So you would never move to LA?
Nah, I don't know about it. You know what it is, man? Like, LA's too, like, open and it's hard. Like, it's weird. It's weird to me because I was like, first, you can't walk anywhere. I got to be in a walking city. You know what I'm saying?
That's
like,
fair.
New York.
But what if we
cool.
were like the wild rich dickheads? You had like a Segway.
That's different. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you got transportation everywhere, then it's like, I'll think about it.
I can't wait till that first brunch where we both ride there in Segways with no helmets.
Oh my God.
Larry Davis like, who are these
Who
assholes?
the fuck is this? Niggas just looking around like, what's going on here? These guys on Segways? Segways? What's going on? Jeff, Segways?
Larry, you asshole!
Larry, you bald asshole!
Nah, LA is weird. LA
really is like Curb Your Enthusiasm. Watching that show and then experiencing LA, it's
It makes
exactly like
sense.
that. It
Everything
perfect
makes sense. I didn't know you had to push the buttons on the crosswalks to get the
Otherwise,
light
you
to
just
work.
stand there fucking forever.
Yeah.
Everything is
Kendrick
valet.
never raps about that.
Yeah, why don't you talk about the real? You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Huh? Kendrick?
You gotta walk.
Talk
You
about how
can't
much
walk anywhere.
coconut oil is in Erewhon.
Yeah, true. Erewhon's like blows Whole Foods out of the water
Exactly.
in terms of like weird shit.
Erewhon makes Whole Foods look like Sea-Town.
No, terrible. It's like they only got 2 types of cheese. If you are on any type of public transportation, niggas look at you like you're crazy, like you're homeless.
Hey, broke boy.
Broke boy. But the good thing though is every Uber is like $2.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? So I mean, like technically you
But
can't
it'd be
walk
like
anywhere,
2 hours,
but you could.
$2, and you'd be on the thing for like 3 hours. So.
Yeah, that's another thing. B like I'm not mad at sitting in a car for a little bit. Like I don't get. Traffic doesn't give me anxiety. Like, I'm good. I'm in a fucking couch on wheels.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But fucking, bruh, sitting 3 hours in traffic on fucking the 405 or whatever, like, nah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, that shit is.
This shit is the
mad
blow.
That shit is mad buzzkill. Yo,
What is this?
shout to Chipotle, who sent us. Well, they sent me. Shout out to Olivia and the Chipotle team.
Okay.
They said we heard you're a big fan of yours that love Chipotle. One of our fans is a loyal fan because of you. So Chipotle was like, we want to send a little something for support. It means the world to us. Yeah, so shout out to Chipotle for sending like 3 fucking certificates for free Chipotle.
Oh, they didn't give you I thought they gave you the unlimited shit.
No, they didn't.
Oh, I thought they gave you that and this, and you're like, yo, here, man, have these.
No, so then I opened the fucking envelope and said Chipotle, and it wasn't. Why the fuck did Big Sean get a wooden card? And why? My name is Young fucking Chipotle.
Come on, respect this man.
Respect the name.
Come on, dog. Nigga invented that shit. He put you niggas on the map.
Nigga,
And he's still riding with you after the fucking E. coli
listeria,
shit.
E. coli,
Come on, B.
dengue,
Mad diseases.
SARS,
Come on.
fucking Ebola.
Come on, dog.
Remember when niggas was eating Chipotle and going around murdering black people in DC?
Yeah.
The DC sniper?
Remember?
Huh? No, you don't remember that. But listen, on God, I will edit the Wikipedia page and say you guys were responsible for that if I don't get this wooden card.
Send the wooden
Don't
card,
fucking
man.
with me.
Stop playing with him, B.
I need a wooden card for Chipotle, and
You're being disrespectful.
I need a wooden card for Miss Lily's. Not necessarily because I need Jamaican food, but just because I want to go there and be like, this is not right. Why is it so expensive?
It's just too boring.
Why? What? I can't bring Vashti here. No. Whoa. $23 for some rundown? Can I talk to Miss Lily?
She not here.
She not here, not trying to live here. She's dead.
Yo. Wow, this is lit.
But nah,
it's
shout out to
but
Chipotle.
it's-
Shout out to Olivia and the Chipotle team for giving me the cards.
Yo, but let's step it up, B. Come on, step the game up. Stop playing. See, I'm Chipotle.
It's all right. It's all right because I'm at the point now. I'm about to start my own Jamaican Mexican fusion restaurant.
Jamexican?
Jamexican.
What?
Jamexican. All right. Imagine going to Chipotle and you be like, "Yo, let me get a burrito bowl with carcinitas, the black beans, onions, the red peppers,
Okay.
sour cream, side of guac, lettuce, tomato." And they say, "Me not have that."
I'm gonna have that.
Sold out. We got a cartonita. We got a lettuce. No more guac.
There's no Jamaican food, just Jamaican attitude.
That's literally the catchphrase. No Jamaican food, just Jamaican attitude and shit. We give you a table buzzer. You go to the table. There's already people there. And like, tell them to move.
Them time up.
You want to eat? You want to eat so bad? You tell them to move. You're not getting involved.
Shout out to Jamaica.
So I'm just sitting there with my arms crossed, like, well, we only serve one people, so yeah, I'll figure it out.
Niggas hand you the dessert menu. Shit says disdain on it. Like, oh, would you like some disdain?
Oh, for dessert we have disappointment, resentment, and passive aggressiveness. What would you like? Oh no, we have all these. All these are definitely in stock.
Oh, on deck all day. You already know.
Just bring an iPad with your mother.
Oh, FaceTime and shit. She got hair in the bonnet. She's like,
No, I gotta get up for church in the morning.
you made me obsolete.
Why? Date? Let me see the girl. Why her face so fat?
Yeah.
My mama look like she get fat in 3 years after a baby. Like, this is the first date, mom. Like,
Mom, please.
Ma.
You're flying me fucking up the floor, Mom.
Like, I paid a lot for match.
I was trying to smash.
Come on, why are you doing this? Why are you
TBH.
why are you talking about babies now? You made it weird.
Yeah.
Now she's talking. Now she's come on.
No. You won't get, it's
Shout out to
summertime.
Ocho Cinco putting me under the wild pressure on international TV yesterday about having a baby. And you co-signing it.
I mean, he got me in my feelings. I'm not gonna front. You know, I just had a daughter, so I'm just like, I'm still in that. I'm in
Oh,
that
so you
haze.
pussy boy?
I'm in that haze. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna front. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can still get your face cut, but like, I'm in my emotions. You know what I'm saying? I look at my daughter every day. She's beautiful. She's growing. You know what I'm saying? Just out here. You know what I mean? Just putting on little dresses and shit, like with the little headband with the bow on it and shit. Nigga, I'm just like, oh, you know what I'm saying? Like, this man. You know what I'm saying? I pick her up. I got big ass hands, you know what I'm saying? I hold her with one hand, like, oh, you know what I mean? She's a beautiful kid. So I was in my feelings. So when he's talking about kids, I was like, yeah, you know, it's a beautiful thing. You know
Not me, nigga. Okay? Out here trying to get these cars for. Fuck that. Fuck them kids.
Yo, did you just order them? You ordered them already, right?
Why are you making it hot?
Niggas got jokes you for the cars.
Why you just let me eat, dog?
Yo, I see niggas putting them shits on Instagram like, yo, shout out to my niggas.
No, I got the new plug, so the plug is hooking it up for me. But the whole thing. This is my one thing. Can I just beef about this? If I was a woman and I was on TV the way we're on TV right now, and guests constantly came on to ask when I was having kids, people would not allow that shit. They'd be mad like think pieces and shit. Yeah.
If I was still me, like a male, or we were both women.
Why are we both women?
I'm just not because it's like
Why,
it's a
you trying
different
to make
dynamic.
you trying to make some like weird fanfic now? Are we like rubbing on each other? Why are we both women?
But I did.
You
Niggas
got
did
big-
do the
you got big nipples?
Niggas did do the face app.
Yeah.
Of like me
I
looking
saw
as a
that.
girl. I was like, damn,
you was kind of a bad bitch.
I was like, what?
I was a little confused there. I was like, yo.
Nigga, I started talking like Buffalo Bill. Nigga, like, I'd fuck me. Yo, R.I.P. Jonathan Demme, who directed Silence of the Lambs. Shout out to him, R.I.P. my nigga.
Yo, give it up for everyone that lost somebody this year. R.I.P. I just killed the club. Shout out to Summer Jam. Y'all remember that, Jew? Y'all remember that happened?
Nigga said R.I.P. I just killed the club.
Oh, shit, that really happened.
R.I.P. Yo, damn, that's a banger, though.
Yeah. No, I looked at that. I was like, what is that? What if that's what your daughter looks like?
When she's very cute.
No, I'm just looking at that picture, the face swap thing.
I wouldn't be mad. I'd be like, wow, you're very beautiful.
I mean, what if your daughter? But I'd be like,
but I would never get on some. I'd be like, yo, you're a beautiful girl.
Right.
But I would never be like on some weird Trump shit. Like, perhaps I'd be dating my daughter.
Well, to be fair, you are Dominican, and so at some point you're gonna have to.
Yo, can we stop? Yo, let's stop. Yo, listen. This is what Dominicans do. When Dominicans go back to DR,
that's what Dominicans do.
And smash a fourth cousin. I don't know how this somehow turned into like Dominicans are wild incestuous. We don't do that. We will fuck around and fuck our third cousin if we go back to DR. And
y'all niggas kiss your daughters on the mouth. Good night.
Who, me?
Dominicans.
No,
watch it 5 years.
Stop.
Like,
no. We had this whole discussion. Yo, Dominicans are mad. Like, weird about shit like that. Like my parents.
If you're a Dominican, you fucked your brother. Call in. What? 1-800-223-9797.
Yo, let me tell you something. And everything that you could apply to Dominicans applies across all the West Indies.
No.
So it applies to Jamaicans. Yes, it does. It applies to Jamaicans, Haitians, Puerto Ricans, everybody, all the islands.
No, my sister ain't trying to fuck my father.
There's a baseline there, B. There's a baseline.
That's
you
y'all
go back and smash your cousin with the green eyes. Like, yes, you would. Your third cousin. Yeah.
She's pretty though. But
you don't even know, shorty. It's just like, yo, my uncles, half your cousins ain't even really your cousins. You know what I'm saying? It's just your two moms grew up together, so that's your auntie and shit. It's very there's no DNA matching there. You know what I'm saying?
Shout to Mero. You know, making it hot for.
I never smashed a cousin. I'm gonna keep it funky. I never smashed a cousin.
I mean, I'm so close.
I smashed my cousin's friends for sure.
Yeah,
and I ran through a lot of my sister's friends.
There's a girl on Instagram, Jamaican chick I follow. She clear, like, every time I look at her, like, every day it's like she looks a little more like my mother, and I'm sure she's related, but just get it. Yeah. I just be doing all right. Just guys like waiting for the family. You're like, oh,
what's up? How you doing?
Oh,
she's like, I seen you on TV. Oh my god, you doing so good. It's great. Oh my god, it's so hot out here.
It's so hot. Take your top off.
She's gonna do like,
she's like, where you family from? Don't worry about that. No. They're from Sandals.
That's what Sandals. They're from Royal Caribbean.
They're from Fry Fest.
Yo, no, man. What's your family from? Club Med, nigga.
Club Med.
Fuck it. Don't ask me no questions.
They're from Terminal 5, JetBlue, nigga. Why are you asking all these questions?
Yo.
Oh, man. Listen. Shout out to Rebel. It's a special, it's a shorter version today. A lot of things going on.
We still give niggas an hour.
They still got an hour, man.
Come on. You got an entire hour, niggas.
What you want for free? No more free, Randy.
Yeah.
Nah. The art's always important. The art is always out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Bodega Boys. Shout out to everyone that's out in LA.
That's right.
Shout out to Red Bull. Shout out to all the sponsors.
You know what I mean? Yo, it's so important that I got in a fucking 05 Honda Accord at 7 a.m.
He did.
You know what I'm saying? So,
the sacrifice is very real. We got to get out of here. It's episode 62.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? World's most dangerous podcast in the building.
Peligro.
The Bodega Boys.
That's right.
The Buggery Boys, a.k.a. the Grind Boys. It's the Buggery Boys. a.k.a. D's Nice, a.k.a. D's Device, a.k.a. Young Chihuahua, practicing fat material, King Fast Pro Sling Eli Lipley. Butcher Scully, So Bad I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with a Rondo, Mero vs. Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC Lukagun, putting up for 40 with Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Ooh.
I don't know you, nigga.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss one. Desus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Simmer right for me, you bitch ass nigga. Young Charcuterie out the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, okay. Remember that time we was getting all coked up at Shea Stadium and Darryl Strawberry came by. He had Mexico. Gary Carter, rest in peace. I love that guy. Okay. Vice K. Makusaka, 3-phone Jones. Yo, Kevin Gates is really in jail. That nigga's going to be in jail for a minute.
He got
Kodak Black too.
phones and a stint in jail.
He's gonna have to boof 2 phones. Jesus Egg Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dalu. Denaro the Trapio, Mr. 240B. I like my Pinot blurry. That's right. If you see me jerking off the Jada piece or obsessing, you know what it is. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Stay tuned. We have 4 hours of Key TLA. Let's go. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Dre nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain him. The Young Human Mime, word to Ja, Young Aaron. the racist provocateur. The black Asiatic who crack your back like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, Mr. Marina, French the Banana Coat Demeanor, aka you're probably back. I'll finger pop you while taking $20 out your purse.
Oh, shit. Bronx scumbag. Yo. Episode 62, we out of here. Holla at your boys. We be back, nigga. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? aka Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man. My front is from Santo Domingo.
Yes.
Shout out to all my niggas. Yo, check the guest list because my name is definitely on that shit. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm not stepping to the fight while you check, nigga. It's the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? aka Feel the Ass Tyson, aka Ben Smack Biombo, aka the Dominican Dandada. You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will take an Eggo waffle and insert it into your cranium, and you will magically do calculus.
We love you, man.
Put your panties back on, ma. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, so watch where you keep the pencils, nigga, because it's the Zen, man. It's gonna about Rico Sabroso, you know what I'm saying? Tom Brazy, my balls are deflated, and it's the fault of your spouse. Baby Newport, blem de la blem, you know what I'm saying? Swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it. Nino Brown, East Street, my Stevie B, the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me driving drunk on Tremont with some Xannies and a dub in my side. I love y'all. Yeah. Thank you. Fyre Festival will be back next week. Yeah.
White genocide. Yo. If you have any problems getting back to the airport, the trams are located in Terminal B.
Please do not trample each other.
If you need your passport, you're going to have to offer something of value to the gunmen, them.
Do you?
I'm sorry. That's just the way it's going down. Sorry, guys. We love you. White genocide. We out.
Turn to the show, posse. Pull it up for 6 years. Barmelos Anthony.
Take him back, LaLa. Grow up.
You know what I'm saying? Grow up. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Man, black love is strong. Black love is forever.
He's just fucking them other girls. He's going to get right back.
He's going to get right back. You know what I'm saying? As always, if you see me at Target, respect my motherfucking agency. Approach me like an Ursa Mabel. Do not look me in my oculars, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Llegó el más duro de todo lo duro. El rey de Dykeman. El hijo de Tite FIFA. Más duro que todo. You know what I'm saying? Más duro con blow. Más caliente con fogón. Shout out to Mount City. We out here. You know what I'm saying? Papi que malito más frío. We out! Holla!
I don't know what he said, but I guess, listen. I think he just ordered some Platinos or some shit. So we out!
Peace!